Hey, how's it going, guys? So I woke up this morning and went to the store real quick and all that. I always I got off to go to the store, and you get that habit, locking your truck. You click the button twice and you notice your horn's not working, and you go in the truck and you press the horn, see nothing. You check the fuse box location here, and it says here number 48, the horn button, which sits right here in the end. This one right here. And as you can see, it's still good. It's still connected and contact and everything. Not broken in half or anything. Okay, so you have to take off these tabs here. There's 12 of them. See there? Okay, so to get to the horn, just FYI guys, the horn's location is different from the HD trucks compared to the 1500 trucks, okay? Your HD trucks, they're right behind the bumper, just below the headlight and all that. So you gotta take off the grill, you gotta take off the headlight. Some even took off the bumper, but no. On the 1500 Silverados and GMCs, just open the hood. Once you take off the cowl cover right here, set it to the side over there. It's 12 clips. It's right here, right there, right by your washer fluid reservoir. If you look inside the bay, there's two of them. So there's your axis. Just get your wrench, 10mm, take off that bolt, just take off the horns, the horn mount. I took off my horns. It's pretty easy. It's just one clip right here. And the 10mm that mounts to the truck itself. As you can see, it's not that bad. But I'm gonna put dielectric grease on it. Well, before I put dielectric grease on it, I'm gonna just scrub it out with a wire brush, clean it all up, and then just put dielectric grease and then just plug it in and out, probably like 5 times, and hopefully it would work. Here's my wire brush. I'm gonna go ahead and scrub it in there. It's hard to do this one-handed, but I'll show you guys. Just go in there and just rub it in. This electric cleaner here, and just spray it on there. And it dries real quick. Just let it dry. Yeah, and then I got this dielectric grease here. They have the big bottle one in AutoZone, but since I'm only fixing one connector, I just got the bulb one. It's the same grease and everything like that. Okay, so I already put the grease on there, and I connected it and took it off like 4 or 5 times, just so the grease can be in the other connector, the other end. I haven't connected it yet because I want to see if it works or not, and let's go double check. Go inside the truck. Alright, I know truth. Alright, works. So yeah, just mount everything back, the horn and all that, and just put your cowl back on, and that's it. Thank you for watching my video. Hope this helps.